Hi, I'm Nicholas Lodge and I'd like to introduce you to my new Flower Pro Rose Petal Cutter. This is a 5-petal rose cutter that is used for making roses, but also you can use this for other flowers like quick peonies and other blossom related flowers like anemones and things like that. So think about buying a really nice quality kitchen knife. It has a very good edge, cutting edge onto it. So they have a beautiful cutting edge, so you're going to get very professional results. Just like a professional chef buys a professional knife, this is a pro product. And so these come in 3 sizes. So in my first book, I used obviously a 70mm, 90mm and 110mm. And you can see actually printed on the cutter here, you've got the 110, the 90 and the 70. So this relates to my Flower Pro rose cone mold, the rose and thorn mold. So obviously the 70mm is used for the small cone, the 90mm for the medium cone, the 110mm for the large cone. So we've tried to just standardize everything within the collection. We're super excited about these because they are very, very sort of beautiful to hold on. You've got a nice little handle there, so it's very, very easy to, as I said, to work with. These come in a pack of 3. All right, so they're obviously, this is the set of the three cutters here, and you can see here that obviously this shows the roses from the Flower Pro book. This is the medium size rose, so when in your videos and the YouTube videos for Flower Pro, obviously the ones on the front cover there are the 90mm ones here, and then we go through the 90mm, which obviously is the one that's shown step by step. So obviously when I showed the videos I used some different other blossom cutters, but there's no comparison in the quality of the new Flower Pro line. Obviously this is all sort of, now we're trying to sort of integrate things into each other and being able to use things with different techniques. The red rose there that's made with the large, so the video on that shows using the large cone and 110mm, and then obviously the small yellow rose here was done with the small cone and the 70mm cutter. But these, as I said, can be used for other flowers as well. So when using the obviously the Flower Pro products, you know, so obviously with the cutter here, the 5-petal rose cutter, you can see when you're cutting, you've got a nice handle there, so when you're also going around here, it's going to cut through beautifully. Alright, so unlike some cutters which give you fuzzy edges and things, you know, you've got this beautiful clean cut. Alright, so very, very professional cut on the edge there. So this is obviously going to be, as I said, give you beautiful effects, and obviously when you use these for roses or for other flowers, as I said, this is going to make it a very sort of professional look, and as I said, going to make life a lot easier. So that is the, as I said, the Flower Pro 5-petal rose cutter with Pro Cut edge, and I hope you will enjoy using these as part of the Flower Pro line. So till next time, I'll see you again soon.